Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the PopSockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome back to Bitcoin Bulletin, your #1 source for unbiased news and insights on the world of cryptocurrency. I'm your host today, and we've got a breaking story that's going to make you sit up and take notice. So, Peter Schiff, the economist and gold advocate, has been taking aim at President Trump's latest economic policies, and this time, he's targeting not just one, but two major areas: Bitcoin and tariffs. Now, let's dive into what Schiff had to say about the Strategic Bitcoin Reserve, a new program created by the government to invest in digital currencies. It turns out that since its inception on March 6th, the value of the Bitcoin held in this reserve has declined by over 12%. That's right, folks, more than 12% loss for a program designed to boost America's economy. But here's where things get interesting. Schiff argues that if the government had opted to invest in gold instead, we'd be looking at a 2% gain. Now you might be thinking, but what about all the talk of Bitcoin's potential? Well, let me tell you, Schiff isn't having it. He claims that the crypto market has been trending downward when measured in gold terms. In fact, over the past 3.5 years, Bitcoin has lost more than 30% of its value in gold terms. But that's not all. Schiff is also taking aim at Trump's new round of tariffs, calling them an even worse idea. He says that doing nothing would be less harmful than what Trump is proposing, and that major American brands like Nike won't be shifting manufacturing back to the US despite steep new tariffs. Nike's stock dropped over 17% after Trump announced the new tariffs, and countries like Vietnam and Indonesia were hit with tariff increases of up to 46%. Schiff says that higher costs and shrinking US sales will force companies like Nike to look elsewhere for growth. The result will be fewer sneakers sold in the US at much higher prices, he warned. So, what does this mean for investors? Well, it's a clear sign that Trump's economic policies are not working as intended. And if you're thinking about investing in Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies, you might want to think twice. After all, as Schiff says, the crypto industry is using the Strategic Bitcoin Reserve to scam more Americans into buying crypto. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but what about the tech and ecosystem growth? Well, let me tell you, Schiff isn't having it. He sticks to his stance. Over the past 3.5 years, Bitcoin has lost more than 30% of its value in gold terms. So, there you have it, folks. Peter Schiff is not holding back when it comes to Trump's economic policies. And if you're looking for a safe haven, you might want to consider investing in gold instead of taking the risk with cryptocurrencies. That's all for today on Bitcoin Bulletin. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.